And for question 12, you're given two functions, f and g, and they are defined on the set of real numbers. F of x is 2x squared take 4x plus 5, and g of x is 3 take x. And you're asked to get this new function called h of x, which is f of g of x. They want you to put function g through function f. So replace g of x with what it actually is, 3 take x, and then have a wee think about what function f does. Well, whatever's going in, you square it and times it by 2, then you take away 4 times whatever's going in, plus 5. What's going in? A 3 take x, so they replace x there with 3 take x down here. So we have 2 times 3 take x squared, take 4 times 3 take x, plus 5. 3 take x, I squared it, I did it over here, 3 take x times 3 take x, ends up being 9 take 6x plus x squared. And that's what I put up here. So we have 9 take 6x plus x squared, take away 4 times 3, take away 12, take 4 times take 3 plus 4x, take 4 times take x, sorry, it's plus 4x, and there you have the plus 5. Right, let's multiply through by 2 now. 2 nines are 18, 2 times minus 6 is minus 12, 2 times x squared, there we have it there. So just a little bit of tidying up to do. The 2x squared we're going to put up to the front. Take away 12x plus 4x is take away 8x, and 18 take 12 plus 5 ends up being plus 11. So there we have it there. Part B, they want you to write h of x in the form p times x plus q squared plus r. Okay, so my approach for this is always to square out the x plus q squared. So that's x plus q times x plus q. What happens when you multiply these out? You get x squared plus 2qx plus q squared. Multiplying through by p, you get px squared plus 2pqx plus pq squared plus r. So that there is this bit out here expanded out. Now we can do some comparing of coefficients. That means that if you have an x squared there and an x squared there, then that has to equal that. So p has to be 2, there it is there, and if you drop down 1 power of x, we have 2pq here, that has to equal minus 8. So we know what p is, it's 2, so 2 times 2 times q has to be minus 8. 2 2's are 4, obviously minus 8 divided by 4 is minus 2, so that gives q to be minus 2. Moving on to the numbers there, we have pq squared plus r has to equal positive 11. P is 2, q is minus 2. Minus 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8, plus r is 11. So we have r equaling 3. So replacing these back in with our p, q and r, replacing them with what they are, we have 2 times x take 2 squared plus 3. And there we have it there.